up, folks? We are on the way to a job that I've already done quite a bit of work on. Basically, it's the only job I got that's, if it decided to rain today, I can still work a little bit. As you can tell, it is overcast, and I think it's probably going to end up raining before I get done over here, but I don't know exactly what all he wants done. I'm gonna get him over here and get started, and I'll carry y'all along with me. The thing to do is what I'm doing, and it's mulching around any kind of structure. But as you can tell, I'm getting them knocked out. There's a whole bunch of trash. That's the reason I don't like mulching around stuff like this. But I'm getting all these hedge bushes or whatever cut back, mulched up. You can't never get it to look pretty because of all the stuff. We wanted to leave that one hydrangea or whatever it's called. I've already mulched. There was bamboo right there. I cleaned up around the pond a little bit. Yeah, he wants me to do some more, but basically I'll get a video of this after I get done. I don't know how well this is going to do because I see some rocks and some bigger stuff, but he wants all this stuff cleaned up. So what he's gonna do, I think, is end up tearing this house down. I don't know why he's worried about cutting these bushes back, but he's wanting to tear this house down and eventually build him a house here, I think. But after I get done with this, I'm gonna go down there and see if I can get some more of that and all that stuff around the outside. I'm probably going to take that cricket tree down. I backed into it last time. Take some more of that bamboo and stuff out now. It's dried out a little bit because bamboo is easy to mulch, but it produces so much mulch that you're fighting to try to work around mulch. So, but anyway, I'll get back with y'all in a little while. It is. After a few minutes, this is what it looks like. Now, I could probably get a little bit better, but he's just going to tear it down. He just wanted to be able to see it to tear it down, I reckon. So now I'm going to cut some full ATV trails. Show y'all those once I get around to them. So, I don't know how good y'all can see it in the video or in the camera, but basically, I'll walk up here a little ways. I ain't gonna walk up here too far because I still got to clean up around this pond. But basically, he wanted some trails cut. More trails cut. I could clean that up a little bit more, but basically this is what it looks like whenever you get done going through stuff like that. I mean, there's not that much material, but it cleans up nice. Definitely have a nice four-wheel path for sure. He's got 10 acres here, and this path right here goes up here, loops around because the pond's in the way. He's got one little path that goes around that way, but I can't get. It's a hill. I can't get down, and then it goes down there and wraps all the way back around and comes back around. So he's got an ATV path all the way around the whole property. So now I'm going to get out, cut some of this stuff down around this little pond, clean it up a little bit because it's too wet for me to get down there with the machine. I'll be back with you.